Understanding Store Credit Cards. A Guide to Shopping Smart. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the world of store credit cards. These are special cards that can offer you benefits and savings, but they also come with their own set of considerations. Let's dive in and understand everything you need to know about store credit cards, ensuring you make informed decisions while shopping. A store credit card is a type of credit card that can only be used at a specific store or group of stores. Unlike general-use credit cards, these cards are co-branded with a retailer and often offer perks, discounts, or rewards when used for purchases in the associated store. It's a way for stores to encourage loyalty and frequent shopping. One of the main attractions of store credit cards is the exclusive benefits they offer. This can include initial sign-up discounts, a percentage off your first purchase when you open and use the card. Reward points, accumulating points for each dollar spent, which can be redeemed for discounts, merchandise, or other rewards. Special discounts and offers, access to special sales, additional discounts, and exclusive shopping events. However, it's important to read the terms and conditions to fully understand how you can benefit from these offers. Before applying for a store credit card, it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions. Pay close attention to interest rates, APR. Store credit cards often have higher interest rates compared to general use cards. If you carry a balance, the interest can quickly outweigh the benefits. Fees. Look out for annual fees, late payment fees, and other charges. Credit score impact. Applying for a new card involves a credit check, which can temporarily lower your credit score. Understanding these factors will help you make an informed decision about whether a store credit card is right for you. To make the most of a store credit card, consider the following tips. Pay in full each month. Avoid interest charges by paying off your balance every month. Use for planned purchases. Don't overspend just to chase rewards. Use the card for purchases you were already planning to make. Keep track of benefits. Regularly check for exclusive offers or sales available to cardholders, ensuring you make the most of your card. Store credit cards can be a great tool for saving money and enjoying exclusive benefits, but they require careful consideration. Remember to read the terms, understand the costs, and use the card wisely. We hope this video helps you navigate the world of store credit cards confidently. Happy shopping, and see you next time!